Next topic, Munda rebellions. So the Munda rebellions, one of the prominent, important rebellions in the Ranchi. Mainly for this, before the tribal rebellions on the period occurred in Ranchi, known as the Ranchi, also known as the Munda rebellion, also known as the Uluglan rebellions. That is called a Uluglan rebellions. The Munda peoples were familiar with the cooperate. So that peoples mainly for cooperate. So mainly for the cooperate of the cooperate or the collective farming known as the cooperate or collective known as Gundukatti. The Munda peoples, the collective peoples, that gather in the called cooperate and the collectives are called Gundukattis. Land system eroded by the interactions of the private ownership. So that peoples living in the place they eroded by the clean. So by the private ownership of the land and the merchant and the money lenders. So the three important persons so affected the Munda peoples. One is the private ownership, another one is the merchant, the traders, another one is the money lenders. After that, the Munda peoples. So the Munda peoples were also forcefully required to indenture the force to the cultivations of the plantation crops. The tribal peoples also the force to cultivate the tea and coffee and like that some of the crops. So the required as this to the work for the plantation. The plantation crops for the tea and the coffee is also the plantation crops. In the 1890s, the tribal chief offered the resistance against the alienations of the tribal peoples from their land and the impositions of the both vigaries and the forced labors, mainly of the forced to labors. The Munda peoples forced to labor in the zamindars, money lenders or merchants like that. Mainly in this topic, Munda people were also forcefully required when indentured the labors work of the plantation. In 1890s, the tribal chief offered the 1890s offered the resistance against the alienations of the tribal peoples from the land and impositions of forced labors. After that, the Birsa Munda, mainly for the Birsa Munda declared himself as a messenger of the God. The messenger of the God, the Birsa, the kind that he had promised the supernatural solutions. I am going to save the Munda peoples. So the Birsa Munda, the messenger of God, the Munda claims that he had promised the supernatural solutions. The problem was very clearly to the problem, supernatural system solutions of the problem. The Munda peoples and the establishment of the British Raj. So mainly for these Munda peoples of the Munda leaders utilized the Birsa Munda, the records of the Moor peoples. So records of the Moor peoples, the series of the night meetings. So night meeting were held to the revolt was the planning against the British So on the Christian day of 1889, the restored the violence against the Christian peoples. So the Mundas peoples. So lot of peoples gathered in this, the support to this, the Birsa Munda, because he is a messenger of God. So he is the shape of the peoples. The Munda peoples also the shape, and the big, the superior powers also the நல்ல ஒரு ஆட்சியை தரும் அப்படிங்கறதும் the shape is. So lot of peoples gathered and participated against the Christian day, the Christian peoples against the 1889, they restarted the violence. The buildings were burned down and arrows were shot at the Christian missionaries, and Munda Christians converted. So the mainly for the Christian missionaries and the Christian missionaries and Munda Christians were converted. The attack in the 1889. Finally the residence was crushed, and Birsa Munda arrested on February 1900. So, and he is died in these prisons, and he is the few months similar attacks of Birsa Munda, the police stations. So the police station and the government office were attacked. The Birsa Munda attacked in this police station and the government office, and others, the British officers also attacked. Finally the Birsa Munda was arrested in February 1900 and died in prisons, and it is finally died in jails. The Birsa Munda became a hero of the Birsa Munda peoples, who is the day is celebrated in these many songs, the local songs. The day is celebrated, the peoples, the Birsa Munda peoples, the local songs, and the Munda rebellions, the promoted the British to the formulated the policy of tribal land and the Chota Nagpur Tendencies Act in 1908. The restricted to entry of non-tribal peoples into the tribal lands. The restricted in this mainly for restricted. The Chota Nagpur Tendencies Act 1908, the restricted the entry to non-tribal peoples into the tribal land. So our next topic, mainly in this topic, the Birsa Munda is support to the Birsa peoples and against the British rules, mainly for the Christians. So is the leader of this, the Birsa Munda is given to message of the God. After that, he is attacked the British office and other than the British office and the police stations like that is attacked. Now finally the Birsa Munda died in the jails after they restricted the non-tribal peoples into tribal land. So thank you. The next topic, the Great Rebellions of 1857.